Hi, I'm Mrs. Khalid and I'm one of the food technology teachers. This year I'm teaching Year 11 food technology. Term 1 is started very well and I introduced the first topic on food availability and selection to my students. Students have developed knowledge on where food comes from and how it is made available to shops and consumers. We also looked at the reasons which affects the food supply and the factors that influence individuals to select the food that they eat. Beginning of term 2, while we were still working from home and online, I successfully introduced a second topic on food quality to my students. We are still working on it, and here in this topic, students are going to develop knowledge and understanding of how to produce quality foods in domestic setting as well as outside the home in commercial settings. They're going to look at the functional properties and sensory characteristics of food. Food technology involves practical cooking and experiments, and we are very mindful of the individual needs of all the students. Thank you. Once again, this is Mrs. Khalid, and if you have any questions, please call me at the school.